All right, so how to remove a connection off the Utilitech motion sensored solar power light. So pretty simple here, guys. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna get started on the back. You'll see there's an on-off switch. You'll go ahead and turn that on. You're gonna wanna let that run for about 15 seconds. And if you don't get a light, you might wanna change the batteries. That's an option there if for some reason the solar connection isn't that good, is another option. But the reason you might wanna remove a connection is if for some reason you got these lights and it was connected with another light, or you're looking to sync this up with another light. So pretty simple. How you do it is you're gonna press this button here on the back. So this is gonna be the program button, is what I like to call it. And you're gonna go ahead and click that twice. So we'll go once, twice, and then from there it'll flash. And then after it finishes flashing, sometimes that takes about 30, maybe 60 seconds, it'll be reset. So it's pretty simple there on the reset. But if you guys have any questions or issues with it not syncing, definitely comment, let me know, because I've had my issues myself with this with this light. So go ahead and leave those comments, guys, and thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.